If you like investing in properties for rental income but don't like the hassle of property management and dealing with bad tenants, watch this. I want to share with you a comparison between two investment options for, let's say, your 10 million pesos investing in a condominium versus AIA A+ signature plan. I've been monitoring the property market, and let's say a 10 million peso condominium right now might earn you about 30,000 pesos a month rental income. I've seen properties in our area at 25 million mabibili mo, and you can only rent out for about 50,000 pesos a month. Right? So mababa na yung yield sa mahal ng mga properties ngayon. Let's say your rental income is 30,000 pesos for your 10 million property. After factoring about 20% for taxes and maintenance, your net return will be about 24,000 pesos per month. Tapos factoring in pa yung potential rental vacancies, mawawalan ng income, no? Titigil yung rental income mo. Alright? Then, comparing naman, let's say if you invest the same 10 million pesos in AIA A+ signature, so it's about 2 million pesos savings for the next 5 years, or 1 million, you pay 1 million for the next 10 years, right? Pwede ka namang kumita ng, let's say, about 500,000 pesos guaranteed money and guaranteed payout every 2 years. No? Tuloy-tuloy siya. So it's like an advanced rent. So let's compare the two. Let's compare it side by side. Sa real property, right? You have the prestige of property ownership. And then, you have price appreciation, o tumataas yung price ito. And then, of course, capital gains. Tumataas din siya. Right? However, of course, there's real property tax that you pay every single year. There's also the maintenance cost that you need to maintain for repairs, no, ng mga nasisira ng tenant natin. The major repairs, sagot natin yan. And then, of course, estate tax, no, kapag pumanaw na yung owner, and then you have to pay estate tax. It forms part of your estate. As of now, 6% siya. And then, of course, you have to deal with the property management. Ikaw yung magpaparent out, hahanap ka ng tenant. May risk na wala kang makuha for so many months. And meron akong mga ibang pinaparentahan dahil mahigpit yung requirement niya. More than 1 year, hindi siya tenanted. Diba? So, those are potential loss of income din. Right? Of course, again, not to mention that probably nightmare tenants na sisirain yung property mo or delayed magbayad ng rent or ayaw magbayad ng rent. And then, when you want to liquidate it, it's not easy to liquidate. Hindi ganun kadali makakuha ng buyer ng property mo. Diba? So, if nagmamadali ka, if you're urgent, probably you would bring the price down para lang makabenta. Then, of course, you have to pay capital gains tax, 6%, and then estate tax pa. Diba? So, or estate tax, whichever yung ibibenta mo ba siya, or yun nga, upon death, no, kailangan mo siyang bayaran. Alright? With A+ signature, no, comparable, no, so let's say the same 10 million, you put it here, makakakuha ka ng guaranteed cash payout every 2 years. So, yung cash payout na yan, mag-start with the 5th or 6th year at the end of 5 or 6 years. And then, it's like an advance rent na. Guaranteed yan. No more collection every month, no more post-dated checks. Sigurado, makakakuha ka ng payment every 2 years, tax-free na. And then, there's potential dividends itong plan na to, which is comparable to property appreciation. You leave the dividends there, nag-i-interest din siya. So, lumalaki yung value nung property mo or nung fund mo nga, no, meron kang additional value from bukod doon sa maturity benefit niya. And then there's no hassle in property management. Hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng tenants. Wala ka nang i-deal na bad tenants, whatever. And siguradong no vacancies yan. 'Di ba? Kasi laging meron. Lagi kang mababayaran, walang sablay every 2 years hanggang age 100 mo. And then there's no need to maintain and no need to refurbish. Diba? Pag minsan, let's say may tenant ka for a long time, dumumi na yung property mo, yung bahay or condominium, you have to repaint, you have to repair, wala ka ng income, gagastos ka pa. And then of course, in case you wanna liquidate that asset, there's a ready buyer. Automatic, merong bibili through your cash value. diba? Or during maturity. Or upon death, makukuha na yung buong amount, buong 10 million pesos, makukuha na siya. Diba? Yung buong amount nung property or nung endowment plan mo, nung A+ signature. And then you don't need to pay estate tax. Or if you sell, you don't need to pay capital gains tax. Kung ano na yung cash value na dun sa depende sa age, yun na yung makukuha. Alright? So, both opportunities are good. But depende na lang sa'yo whichever is you're more comfortable with. Do you want yung prestige of ownership na meron kang property, may titulo, 'di ba? You like the game of finding tenants, you have the creativity o paano mo papagandahin yung property mo, or you want stability. You want hassle-free, wala nang sakit ng ulo, and tuloy-tuloy na lang papasok yung pera sa'yo. Then you go for A+ signature. And in any case, you can always diversify. Of course, maganda pa rin yung may property, 'di ba? Yun nga lang, as much as possible, no, minsan pinag-aawayan yan ng mga heirs natin, so dapat properly planned yung pag-distribute, may pambayad ng estate taxes, etc. So aside from those properties, probably you would also invest in A+ signature. You put some of your money here, and then pag gusto mo na ipamana, mas mabilis lang, tapos nakakatanggap ka pa ng pera every 2 years. So if you want to explore your options, or if you want to check kung babagay ba to sa'yo and see some of the quotations, message me, let me know, send me a message, PM me, and then let's talk. Let's set a meeting para pag-usapan nating maigi if this plan fits for your goals and for the type of investor that you are.